We're just a few scoundrels cruising for chicks!
Little money foo-foo hopping through the forest. You hear me? It's shameful that I needed their help, but now I don't have to pull any punches against you. All for one.
We need to hurry.
Thanks, sorry. I really messed up back there, huh?
Yeah, you did. Fortunately, there was a man around to save you.
Since the temperature dropped all of a sudden, her body's going into hibernation.
We need fire. Where's that handsome devil Bakugo?
He's attacking! Don't let up!
Got it! If only I were Bakugo. He never has these problems. Bakugo's so cool and talented, and better than me.